shows that some people received help with that yard. They have a lot of stuff in it, like trees, rooftop pieces, and all that in there. And look, as I took a picture of it, showing that it's clear, like showing that it was help given, but not to everybody, to some people. The houses that ain't even fixed all the way, they charge high prices for them and all that. Like rent is, say about for a 1 bedroom, it could be totally messed up, $1,000 for that, and that's not good at all. That's not cool, not good. I don't stay on my own. I'm still with my parents. That's why for me to notice that rent is high, not never been on my own, that is crazy. That is crazy. That's why I'm scared to get out of my own. How $1,000 for a 1 bedroom? That's not good. That's stressful. It feel like I have to move out of town for me to be able to stay on my own. Now I really don't like being too far away from my family.